a 1984 Chevrolet El Camino steering wheel, and we have changed the look of this interior completely just by changing the steering wheel. So let me go over what we've done. So obviously we had to clean up the old steering wheel, cleaned up the center area, but we added wood grain on the top and bottom to match the center horn area. And so it's really going to tie his interior together. He's got some additional wood grain over on the glove box, over on the door panels, and so it's going to just tie everything together. We went with a matching leather for his interior, and this is the most focal point of any vehicle is the steering wheel. And we've got that nice high-end luxury finish on it with the hand stitching on the seam. It is really going to make a strong impact on this vehicle. And just remember that if your steering wheel feels old and looks old, your whole vehicle looks and feels old. But when your steering wheel looks new like this one and upgraded even, your whole vehicle looks upgraded and new. So don't forget that the most touched and viewed part of any vehicle is the steering wheel. And at Craft Customs, we work on all different makes and models of vehicles from 1922 all the way up to the current model year, and everything from Ford to Ferrari. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com, like this video and share it. We look forward to working with you, and you're going to love what you get. We guarantee it.